So this is your Viking machine. Looks pretty clean. Looks like it's cleaned out quite well. Raceway and everything looks good. It's all cleaned out and serviced there. When I took it apart, it took me about 5 seconds to realize what was wrong with it. This is the front panel, and on the back of the panel is a circuit board. Has a bunch of wires and stuff. And this is the main circuit board, and it has a bunch of wires. And the first thing I noticed was a wire that was stuck down in here that wasn't attached to anything. So I looked closely at it, and this is what it looks like. I haven't pulled this thing off yet, but this, you squeeze it and the plug comes out like this, and that's how you unplug this plug from the circuit board. But it's been yanked out because this piece is actually soldered into the circuit board right here, in this place right here. And these wires actually are soldered to that joint and that joint, and the other two joints are still there. This one's a little bent up, but it should be soldered in like this, and this is, so it should sit right there, but it's been ripped out and broken off. And so I got to looking at this thing. There are also some other plugs. This plug here is, curiously, the contacts are pulled out like it was, like there was a wire on it and it got yanked or something. But I don't think anything plugs in there because there are only a few other plugs that plug into the circuit board, because a lot of times these circuit boards are used in multiple machines, and they have different plugs that things don't plug into on this model. So that doesn't surprise me, but it's curious that if it's just a blank socket, then or contact receptacle or whatever you want to call it, why was it tweaked? But then the really concerning part is over here, because this is a major ribbon that connects the front panel to this panel, and it plugs into this piece right here. So this piece here plugs into this piece here. But what I see here is this has fried all the way up to here. So this ribbon cable is obviously going to have to be replaced because it's fried out. The real question is, did it fry out this circuit board also? Did it fry out this circuit board? Are we talking about replacing this board and this piece here? I can fix this piece. I have the soldering skills to fix this, but I can't repair the circuit board if it's fried out. This is, it must have really smoked or something. You can see it's burnt. It's literally burnt and bubbled. So there's no way that this can be repaired. Yeah, you can see on the other side, it's completely fried, which I would be shocked if these boards survived. This may be just a loss, a total loss. I tried to call Viking, but they are at lunch, the parts department, to find out parts availability and price. Either way, it's going to take a long time to get the parts. I can get this ribbon cable, I could get that, and it would be a cheap fix. It would be quick, but not sure that the boards are good. I mean, that they're not going to be really outlandishly expensive. So I will give you an update as soon as I find out.